What is up, guys? Today we're going to be installing an excess power header. Stay tuned. What is going on, guys? So today we're going to be installing excess power headers. Since the manifolds were pretty well scrapped because the fact that the bolts wouldn't come out, they were snapped, and even the one I got all the bolts off and I still couldn't even separate it, so we just said screw it and picked up a set of excess power headers. They're real nice headers for what they are. I've already test fitted them, they fit real good. You get two pieces, and these are the shorty headers. The reason we went with the shorty header is because I put it in the trunk of the car, but there's down pipes that come off of this, and they look just like the long tubes except for they got the flange here. The reason we went with that is because since I hacked the old exhaust, the down pipes here that would be on the end, they're about this long. I can slide them onto the old exhaust where I cut it, or I have to recut. I don't know what the length is going to be like yet. And I can slide those on and weld them, and then this would be the point where I take the exhaust off. So I figured this would work out a lot better, so that's why I did that. So this is what we're going to go with. It's a pretty simple install. You just a matter of sliding it on. Let me get the exhaust gaskets here, and I'm just going to clean the gasket surface a little bit. Just get any excess of dirt or anything that's on here. Some of this has got oil from the valve cover gasket leaking. Now I don't know how much horsepower gain this is gonna give the car. I mean, we didn't get it for that. We just figure what a better time to replace everything than now, and we'll replace it with headers because figure it gives a better appearance, and it does give it better sound and supposed power. I don't know. So you just put the gasket on. Slide the header on. Like so. Some of these, the nut didn't come off. It was a whole stud. That's alright. So just go through this. I use a weird bolt pattern, bolt size. I use 11 millimeters. So I'll just get that not snug. We just want it loose because we have like a whole bunch of other bolts to be putting on. Three more. There's not a whole lot to it. I can tell you one thing though, it would have been a pain in the ass to put headers on if the motor was in the car still. Just from what I've read on forums, people say it's a lot harder with the engine still in the car. Now obviously we had to pull this engine because we had problems separating the train. But now's the perfect time. Man, that one we can't get. We're gonna have to hand tighten that one. We'll leave that on loose and we'll put some nuts on. We also got some other parts in. The main seal came in, which I had already installed. Just got a little impatient with that. Not a whole lot to it. It's just like any other seal job. You gotta, at least how I did it was, because it's such a big seal, I just drilled a hole very carefully into the side of the seal and put a screw through it and used like a claw hammer and pried it out, and that's basically all it took to get it out. Wasn't a whole lot. Alright, I'll move on to the other one. Same thing. Put the gasket on. We're going to have to go the other way. Motors. A little bit in the way. Might actually have to move the motor a little bit. It's kind of sitting in the wrong way. And we can pry it a little bit. Oh man. Almost lost it. Good thing I left the jack stand up. I'll move you guys over here. You can see a little better on this side. Alright, so put these bolts back here. We still haven't ordered the flywheel. We gotta save up for that. Unfortunately, it's gonna take us a little bit of time to save up for that. We pretty much ran out of funds for the whole build. But it is what it is. This is what happens when you dedicate your life to drifting. You're gonna blow all the money on the cars. The rest of my BC sponsorship should be here Monday, so I might be making footage of that. And I have a bunch of orders for parts for the Lexus coming in to finish up that and get that thing ready, since this car isn't going to be ready. We pretty much focused on getting that car ready. This car isn't going to make it. for that car, I ordered the Nameless Performance Hydro. That should be here Monday. I ordered the Speed for sale. For me, it'd be the third O2 sensor, the Aftercat O2 sensor. It's a simulator, so that way it keeps the engine light off for trying to find a cat when there is none. I bought 2 O2 sensor extension harnesses because the O2 sensors are too short for the header, the Xrd header. So that'll be coming. I ordered a crap ton of OEM bolts for the suspension, for that Figs Engineering suspension, so that way I can get this thing, get the Lexus, not this thing, out to an alignment shop and get it all dialed in. So once all that stuff comes in, we'll be making videos of that. Right now we don't have, none of that's here yet. It'll be here sometime, hopefully within the week. So I'm gonna finish tightening these all down, get everything set. But this is basically it, guys. There's not a whole lot to this install, but as I said, good quality for what it is. We paid $95 for these headers. It's not bad. They fit real good. Over here looks like it's gonna be pretty good fitment to get past the tranny, so that's good. So alright guys, take it easy and we will see you on another episode. Stay tuned.